ran that shit. Let's get a little start up, eh? Yeah, boy. You know what time it is, bro? You know what time it is, bro? Oh my God, dude, guess what time it is? It's 5:50 on a Friday, baby. I know a lot of people say don't live for the weekend, but I feel alive. I'm just leaving the gym. I got a great pump, right, dude? You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean when I say I got a great pump? Like, I don't know. It was all right. I just benched. I didn't have a lot of time because my wife put a pizza order in for us at 6 o'clock. It was supposed to be ready at 6 o'clock. So I have to go like rush over and get it. But Friday, going to get the pizza, like, dude, do you understand like the vibe that I'm catching right now? I don't know if you quite like contemplate like how poised I am for the weekend. You know what I mean? Like, I've got a case of beer at home. I don't remember what kind of beer it was. And I got a bunch of seltzers and some Tito's, right? So I've got like this whole vibe over here, and then Domino's, a little pizza vibe. Don't mind if I do. Now, dude, I fucking hate this parking lot because it's impossible. It's impossible, dude. See, oh shit. You gotta park in the next door parking lot. But it's okay. It's no big deal. Also, don't mind the fact that my car is super messy. It's been a long week. I've got a lot of... This is a parking spot? Word, okay. I'll take it. This is a parking spot though. That's insane to me. Okay. All right, since I don't film in public, I don't like it, I'm going to get the pizza now, and I'll be right back. I acquired my pizza. Oh, look at this. This is bad news. This tire's going flat, brother. This tire's going flat. I keep topping it off with air, but it doesn't want to stay, so I have to, I mean, dude, I can't, I gotta be really careful, actually. I don't want to, like, I don't want to fuck up my shit. I have to be so careful, guys. I could really damage my car. Guys, I could really damage my car. Also, how is this a parking spot? That's so weird. What a weird parking lot. Oh well, I don't care. But guys, I could damage my car. Oh, I have to be so careful, guys. I could damage my car. Well, I ran that shit. Oh, guys. Guys, I'm scared. What if I damage my wheel? It's so weird how, like, when you realize that there's a problem, then you start driving, you're like, oh yeah, I can feel that. But beforehand, like, you didn't even realize that there was a problem with it. It's really interesting how that works sometimes. I wonder how many problems there actually are with this car that I just don't know about. Probably a lot. Stupid. But dude, let's take a little sneak peek at this pizza. Ooh, cheese. Yes, because it's Lent and it's Friday. No meat. I don't know if you noticed the time though. Do you remember what I said like a few minutes ago? Do you remember what I said? What time I was supposed to pick the pizza up at? It's 5:50 on a Friday. Oh, sir, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's just really busy tonight. So any pizza you ordered, it's gonna be about a 45-minute wait. And I'm like, bro, I literally ordered this pizza at 3:30 and I said I want it to be ready at 6 o'clock. And I don't know, like, it's not like it's your first day ever being open or like your first day ever being busy. Like, you gotta you got to think the people that schedule their orders beforehand have to take some priority, right? Like, I don't know, you have the order on file way before everybody else has come in, so you know that that's gonna happen. And I understand, like, I've worked in the food industry before, and I understand that, like, things take time, but there must be a better way. There's got to be a better way. There's got to be another way.
There's got to be another way.
That is disgusting. Look at that water, bro. That's going into my water system. I'm drinking that water. That's disgusting. I gotta get air in this tire before I damage my car. Guys, I don't want to. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. There's people getting air in their tires right now. God damn it. What are the fucking chances that there's just some like, oh, I gotta get air in the tire. I guess we'll just have to wait. But I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna come out to my car and it'll be flat. I don't want to damage my car. I feel like I always feel like I need to like preach a moral to the story, right? Like there needs to be like a reason why I'm posting a video. Peace.